So here you can check, you can select some data classification, activity, data board, task alerts, policies. Okay, so something like for each and every SailPoint functionality name will be there. So if you want to access to this identity warehouse, all are access to identity warehouse. You can check like auditor can access to identity warehouse. Compliance officer can access to identity warehouse. Okay. Identity administrator. Identity correlation administrator. So these are the capability name. These are the functions. If you want to access this function so Waller can access something like that, you will be able to understand. Okay, if it's a system administrator, then he will be having access to each and every page function. Here you can check. He has full checkbox for each and every tabs. And SP admin have system administrator access. That is the reason I'm able to access each and every page, like account mappings, application attribute roles, configuration, fan configuration, each and everything. So using this, you will be having some idea. So initially I used to refer this capability, this matrix. So if I want to build some custom capability, definitely I'll refer this. So the first tab is related to capabilities and SailPoint function. Okay, the second one will be having SP rights. So already I have shown that SP rights object in the object. Let me show again. See from here SP rights we have. So here I have 185 SP rights. So using that I can build any capability. The same. It will be here in the matrix. If you are going to expand this here, you can check. Here you are able to see 196 count. So these are SP rights. You can check. See, if I want to delete any identity link, then the same SP right in which capability it will be present. You can check. So in the system administrator, it will be there in SCM, executor. So these are the capability name. These SP rights will be available in this capability. So this will be very helpful if you are going to create any capability. So any doubts so far? So this is all about capabilities. This is how we can control the user access to SailPoint functionality. Rakesh is some person to join in SailPoint version now. So what they provide for capability. So they want based on their job function. If they are going to join as a SailPoint admin, then we will provide SailPoint administrator access. System administrator access. If they are going to join in certification team. So, based on their job function, they will provide some capability related to certification, related to policy, something like that. They will assign some capability. And then one question, their user rights, correct user rights, yeah. So user rights capability, both are same. Yes, Click on more than one or two rights. Yeah, we can assign multiple capabilities. We can assign for the same user. If you want, you can select multiple capability. What about Naveen and Baich? I'm good. Okay, how to assign this capability for this person's rights? So we have couple of ways. You can assign via manually. You can assign like that you have, you can open and you can assign something like that. Or else what you can do, you via account aggregation also, you can assign so whenever new employee is going to join, so this account aggregation will happen. So, if they are comfortable, we can assign capability using this option, optionally select a rule to assign capabilities or perform other processing on new identities. So in that scenario, you can create some rule to assign the capability based on the job function. So this is another way of assigning. Okay, and if you want to go into depth, so we have other application. A number of things are there. You guys want to learn about that. It's okay. What about Naveen and Baich? So how we can assign the capability? Yeah, I want to know. Okay, what about Naveen Rakesh? One question related to capability. Yeah. What is the difference between end-user capability and any cloud admin capability? So have you seen, these capabilities are available here. Yeah, just a minute, let me check. So cloud capability, something you told right. It's not present here in SailPoint. Okay, what was another name, another capability name? Like any cloud person, an admin guy working on a cloud. Okay, might be they have customized in your project, but it's not present. This is not the default one, because I couldn't find any capability which starts with cloud. I couldn't find. So they might have created, that's what I'm saying. Based on the requirement, they can create. Might be, some person is working on the cloud department or cloud functionality. So they have created. Client had a requirement to create those capability, and they have assigned to the particular person. So something like that. So in this cloud capability also, they have assigned some SP rights. Because of the SP rights only, he is able to access some functionality. Right. Because of that only, he will be able to create custom. Right. So in that scenario, you can use this matrix. So if you have access to, do you guys want me to share this one, or you will download it from campus directly? If you can share it, then well and good. Please, can you share it? Yeah, sure, definitely it will be uploaded in the portal, and you can get it from there. So, when it comes to assignment, assigning the capability, we have couple of ways. Like we can do it manually, or else we can assign via task account aggregation. That's second, or else in some client if they are going to deal with some n number of accounts. In that scenario, customer, what they will do. They will ask us to enable this capability via access request page. Is it clear what I'm saying? So they will ask developers. There will be a requirement. They will ask us to enable this capability into access request page. So, which means, if any user want this capabilities, what they will do, they will go to access request page. They will select the users. The next page. All capability has to populate. But so far what we have learned. Entitlement and roles. Only it will be populated, isn't it? But we can achieve that one as well. So we can provide this capability, and we can provide the workgroup via this access request page. But what we have to do, we have to